Hello, my name is Antonio Sequeira. I'm Vice President for Railway Market. Today I want to show you fiber optic solutions from HUBER+SUHNER for the railway market. Rapid digitalization rollouts are happening due to the demand from the end customer, whether that be an operator or a passenger. Onboard networks need to be able to manage this demand for high bandwidth services, particularly 4K CCTV, media streaming and passenger Wi-Fi. Fiber optics in rail is no longer a new concept. HUBER+SUHNER has been successfully delivering products into this market since the early 90s. Fiber optic products are future ready with a theoretical unlimited bandwidth. Already today, with just a single fiber, 100 gigabits per second can be achieved. Typical customer applications of our fiber optic solutions include, but are not limited to, optical backbone for data backhaul, monitoring systems in environments with high levels of electrical noise, and also control of subsystems that are very sensitive to electric noise, such as traction control systems. Here behind me is an example of a fiber optic installation that I will show and elaborate to you in more detail. Starting from this side, we have our fiber optic inter-vehicle jumper. This enables the connectivity from car to car. From this point we can go into a patch panel, and from the patch panel we can then carry the signal, for example, into a switch. This type of switch has already integrated our QoDC connectivity solution. This is a very easy plug-and-play approach, easy to install, easy to connect. And from the switch we can return the signal back into the patch panel, and from the patch panel we can then carry on with the signal throughout the rest of the backbone to other applications within the vehicle. Now we can take a closer look at connectors. As well as the full suite of industrial standard connectors, we have developed a railway-specific connector named QoDC. This connector has been designed for indoor and outdoor applications. It can be used on board the train and also for the trackside. The product fulfills all the necessary norms. We have already hundreds of references, including the adoption of QoDC by all leading railway industrial switch manufacturers. The QoDC is available today in 3 variants: QoDC2, QoDC12 and QoDC24. The number at the end specifies the quantity of fibers inside the connector. QoDC connectors are produced in 2 formats: straight plugs and bulkhead receptacles. To complement our QoDC connector range, we also manufacture our own fiber optic cable. This product line is called Twinfix. Twinfix features our world-renowned Radox jacket, our own in-house polymer developed to have exceptional performance in harsh environments, as well as very strong smoke toxicity properties required for the railway market. We would like to take this opportunity to reassure you that Twinfix is the perfect fit for your own onboard application, featuring excellent properties that can alleviate concerns around crash resistance and bending radius. It is no more delicate than any other cable used in a train. Our solution would not be complete if we could not bridge the gap between the vehicles. HUBER+SUHNER is already a market leader in inter-vehicle jumper design and manufacture, so integrating our fiber optic products came naturally. This solution meets all railway requirements and is suitable for all types of trains, including very high speed. It has been tested already successfully for 1 million cycles according to internal standards as well as OEM demands. Here we have some examples of different switches which have already adopted our QoDC interface. We have worked together to test and homologate our solution. Integration of QoDC is simple. We provide pigtail assemblies which convert the internal SFP interface of the optical transceiver to our QoDC interface, which can be presented on the outside of the unit as a bulkhead connector. Maintenance of our fiber optic solution is not as difficult as you might think. For fixed consists, no maintenance is required at all. For dynamic consists, care must be taken, but with the correct tools, our solution is easy to use. For the purpose of cleaning a fiber optic cable, in situations like when we have a dynamic consist and a cable needs to be verified for contamination prior to connection, we're going to show you today the simple process to verify or to clean a fiber optic cable. So here we have the required tools. We have our microscope, we have our interface adapter, and we have our cleaning tool. As part of the microscope, we also have a tablet where we can visualize any contamination present on the fiber. So the process is very simple. You take your potentially dirty fiber optic cable, take your adapter, insert it into the connector, Then you take a microscope, insert it into the adapter, and on the tablet you are able to visualize if any contamination is present. Then you repeat the process on the second fiber, and when contamination is present, then it needs to be cleaned, and the process is as follows. You remove the interface adapter once again, you take your cleaning tool, insert it into the fiber and push twice. Then you repeat the same process for the second fiber, and with the interface adapter once again back in the connector, and we're going to check if the cleaning process was successful. With this process being successful, you can then remove the interface adapter and reconnect your cable. Since 1992, we have delivered our fiber optic solutions into more than 2,000 trains worldwide. Demand is growing, with all major OEMs now adopting this technology and integrating it into the latest new build trains. We also see high demand from operators wishing to upgrade their rolling stock with fiber optic solutions. As part of our package, we also offer engineering services to co-design with our customers. If you'd like to know more about our innovative products and other solutions for railway, please get in touch with us. Thank you.